Hello, everyone. In today's discussion, we're going to be talking about the bicep brachii. Okay. So now, the origin and insertion of the bicep actions. It is a two-headed muscle. It consists of the long and short head. It crosses the elbow joint, consists of flexion of the elbow joint, and its main movement is flexion of the elbow. Now, as we already know, the bicep muscle is a two-headed muscle that originates from the scapula and inserts onto the radius bone in the forearm. The long head of the bicep muscle originates from the supraglenoid tubercle of the scapula, while the short head originates from the coracoid process of the scapula. Both heads of the bicep muscle converge to form a single tendon that inserts onto the radial tuberosity of the radius bone. It is important to note that for the bicep muscle to produce an action, it must cross the elbow joint. When the muscle contracts or shortens, it pulls on the radius bone, causing flexion at the elbow joint. Therefore, the origin and insertion points of the muscle are crucial to understanding its function. The action of the bicep muscle is flexion at the elbow, which means that it causes the forearm to move towards the upper arm. Now, this movement, it occurs mainly when the muscle contracts or shortens, which pulls on the tendons, and that attaches to the radius bone in the forearm. Now, moving on to the next slide, we're going to be explaining the innervations of muscle. So basically, the definition of innervation in summary, it consists of putting the nerves of a muscle fiber towards something in particular. So the bicep muscle in this case would be innervated by the musculocutaneous nerve, which originates from the brachial plexus in the shoulder region. This nerve provides sensory and motor innervation to the bicep muscle, allowing it to contract and to produce overall movement.